Now we're going to curve this line down. And now let's draw in our feet. So on the left hand side, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come down. And then for the foot, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in on the right. On the left hand side now, we're going to curve this line in, and then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now for the right leg, we're going to draw in 2 more straight lines that come down, making this one a little longer, ending that at the same height. And now on the inside, we're just going to curve this line around, back in. And now on both sides, we're just going to arch this line up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Bluey as a ghost. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.